Hello, and this is a animation of a frog jumping.
It's called a kinetoscope.
It's called a kinetoscope.
And
it was invented by Thomas Edison, the one who invented the light bulb.
that's right.
Go
a little slower, I want to see.
And as
you can see the frog jump.
So you can see like there's a frog, and then there's a slightly different picture of a frog in this newspaper. Okay, so
as you move it, you can kind of see flashes
of
the frog jumping.
So frog jumps. Oh, wow.
This was a fun project, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And what else did we learn about Thomas Edison that's cool?
He was homeschooled just like me.
That's right.
And he had other inventions other than the light bulb and this.
Yeah, he did.
So here's a side view.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
Here's another side view.
I love it.
Turning on its own because I'm spinning it from the other side.
You thought that this project was really fun, right?
Well, at first I thought it wasn't going to be fun, but now I realize that it is.
Cool.
Super fun.
Nice job, buddy.
So, this is a Lakeshore STEM set
About famous
inventions that they made.
Right.
I already did one, which is not videoed, about Morse code.
Morse code, yep.
I think we should make a video about that.
Okay, we should.
Okay, so Lakeshore, these are all the extra pieces.
Because you can make different styles of designs, right? Different designs of
Yeah.
kinetoscope.
Very different styles of this kinetoscope, which is the first animation. And you can invert these by doing this.
Oh, there's a different design.
And there's a different design on the other side. So you see this skateboarding dude?
The running man.
Inverted. It's a running man.
Awesome.
So there's a pigeon.
A bird flying.
And inverted, and there's a gymnast.
Yeah.
There's different ones in each.
Awesome, bud.
So leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Here's an extra of the first motion picture using a kinetoscope.